Think you're doing everything right? You're hitting deadlines. The work is flawless. Yet somehow you're still invisible when the big decisions are made. There is a hidden habit, almost invisible, that is actively lowering your status every time you open your mouth. It's not your competence, it's your presence. Today I'm showing you how to kill that habit. By the end of this video, you won't just be the person who does the work, you'll be the person who commands the room effortlessly. I'm Julie. Welcome to day 14 of Level Up Presence. Yesterday we talked about status. Today we talk about the league. Most people think status is earned by working harder. It's not. Status is a game of signals. And right now, you're likely sending low status signals without realizing it. Do you say, I just wanted to say, do you start with, this might be wrong, but do you apologize for being 30 seconds late to a Zoom call? Every time you qualify yourself, you are telling the room, don't take me too seriously. You're shrinking. And we're going to stop that right now. Strategy one, the linguistic audit. You need to swap softened language for direct authority. Instead of, I'm not sure, but maybe we should, say, here is my recommendation. Instead of, sorry if this is a dumb question. Don't say that. Just ask the question. Strategy two, the oxygen anchor. High status people occupy more space, not just with their bodies, but with their breath. Before you speak, do this. Feet flat. Slow inhale. Pause. Speak on the exhale. This grounds your voice and removes the hurried tone that screams anxiety. If you're feeling the shift already, you're ready for the next level. We are doing this for 21 days. If you want to ensure you don't miss the meeting mastery guide tomorrow, hit subscribe and join the 1% who actually invest in their soft skills. Now, let's finish with the most important part of the exit. Strategy 3, kill the ambiguity. Most people trail off at the end of a sentence. They look for permission. High status individuals end on a low talk where your pitch drops at the end of a sentence. Don't ask, does that make sense? Tell them, that is the next step. Period. No ego, just clarity. People follow certainty. Let's recap. The strategies for high status presence. 1. Audit language. No more just. 2. Anchor breath. Calm is power. 3. End decisively. Drop the pitch. Tomorrow, day 15, I'm showing you the meeting invisibility cure. I'll show you how to become the person everyone listens to, even if you're the quietest person in the room. I'll see you tomorrow.